What is going on, guys? It's the Clouded Barber back at it with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Lithium FX Iridescent limited edition, special edition too. I mean, this is a pretty dope clipper and trimmer set. Thank you, Wyatt, for actually sending this to me for review. We're going to be unboxing, checking out the power behind the clipper and the trimmer, and giving you some examples of exactly how they both cut. So let's get down to unboxing and we'll show you what's inside the box. Alright guys, so here we are with the up close Babyliss Pro Lithium FX limited edition iridescent, as I like to call it. Beautiful color, nice box. Cordless lithium ergonomic clipper and trimmer. On this side you have the trimmer, on this side you have the clipper. So you have descriptions for the clipper and the trimmer. Chameleon FX titanium fade blade, 0 gap adjustable, 5 detent taper control lever, now extends up to 4.2 millimeters, long life ball bearing DC motor, 6800 RPM, ergonomic grip housing, redesigned on off switch location, lithium ion battery, 2 hours of cordless runtime, LED low battery indicator and universal charging port. For the trimmer, it's a Chameleon FX titanium deep tooth 360 exposed T-blade, 0 gap adjustable, ergonomic grip housing, long life ball bearing DC motor, 6800 RPM, same as the clipper, lithium ion battery, over 4 hours of cordless runtime, LED low battery indicator and universal charging port. Got a 2-year warranty, always a bonus. So let's get into the unboxing. So what you get inside the box is you get your guards from 0.5 to 8, or sorry, 1.5 to 8, and then in a separate bag you get a 0.5 and a number 1. You have your clipper protector, just in case you're traveling or whatever, you don't want to mess up your blades. Then you have your additional blade cushion, which they include for the trimmer. Obviously you have your instructions with a Babyliss sticker. I highly advise, and I do this with every single one of my clippers, first initial charge it for 12 to 14 hours. Use it, let it die normally, charge it, but don't charge it for 12 to 14 hours, just do it normally. And then discharge, and then recharge, discharge, do that 3 times, and that will definitely condition the battery, I find. That's just my personal opinion. So that's what we got in the box, and then you can use this for like your playing cards or all your pieces of your life that's fallen apart that you need to put back together or something. Here are the bad boys that we've been waiting for. Oh yeah! All right, look at those beautiful blades. I love them, iridescent, amazing. Got that chameleon blade, got the chameleon blade. I really like these clippers, and they're very ergonomical, as they say on the box. I really like the way the clipper feels in the hand. It just kind of flows naturally. I just like the way it feels. Really like the low pros, but this one's just kind of more, I don't know. I find that when I'm cutting, I put my middle finger under this little ledge here. I cut and it's just really nice. Everything's like easily accessible. I love that click lever. Don't know if you can hear it. Beautiful click lever. I love that click lever. Not really a fan of floating levers, but this click lever is a real kick butt click lever. Say that 3 times. I like how it has the little prints of the indents, 0.6, 1.5, 2.4, 3.3, 4.2. I really like that. Not that you really look at that often, but it just kind of adds to the look of the clipper. A little bit more of a professional look. It's got that nice grippy, not rubberized, but kind of like a plasticky, got like some knurling. Same with the trimmer as well. It's got that knurling as well, so it kind of gives you some sort of a grip, which is nice. I have 0 gapped them both. Yeah, I've been using both of these for probably a couple of weeks now, and I'm really digging it. I just, you know, I think on the old one, on-off button was like way down here, so I like how they've redesigned it and put the on-off button right up here, so you can kind of just like flick on-off. It's just really convenient. Aside from that, yeah, and it's got the charging port down here, obviously, where you can charge. I don't know why. Maybe there's a reason behind it. Maybe they're going to create a dock for it or something. I don't know, but I never understood since I got it why it has this lip. And same with this one as well, because I know on the original Babyliss FX, the golds and rose golds and all that, you can throw a power clip on there and it will charge. But I tried throwing a power clip on here, and this lip here prevents it from being pushed all the way down, so unfortunately you cannot use any power clips on this trimmer or clipper. I like the way they cut. It's got that crunch too when you're cutting. I like that. When you're cutting, you can hear the hair crunching. Beautiful, I love that. Don't like those silent clippers where you can't hear anything cutting. It's very like, I like that. I like this clipper a lot. Honestly, I've been using the low pros for like the longest time, but these ones, Beautiful. JRLs I've been using quite often as well. To the trimmer, I've zero gapped these as well, like really close, to the point where they're like almost cutting the clients. But I got a soft hand, you know? I'm a lover, not a fighter, so it's got the exact same on-off button, pretty much located in the same location as the clipper. And just the feel of it too, like when you're trimming, it's very lightweight, it's not heavy, so you can just kind of tap and go. It's nice in that sense. I don't know how long these little logos are going to last for, because I know on my low pros as well, the more cool care you use, in my experience, the more it wipes off. But luckily enough, they're down here and not up here like on the low pros. Just with the clipper too, the low pros are up here. It says Babyliss, and that is completely wiped off. I think I have it here. As you can tell, it's completely wiped off, and that's just from using cool care and making sure my clippers are sanitized at all times. You don't really have to worry about that happening. Maybe with the rubbing eventually, I don't know. It's got the blinking light here, blinking light here. It blinks when it's dying, blinks when it's charging, and solid blue when it is fully charged. That is my review, and I will include obviously a cut as well at the end of the video, so you guys can see exactly how they cut, how they line, and all that type of stuff. Let's go up top. After you see this quick little haircut going down and like nice little trim up and line up and all that, we'll discuss further once we go up top. All right, guys? Okay guys, so that's my review of the Lithium FX limited edition iridescent edition. Great clippers, great trimmers. Just wish this lasted a little bit longer. Wish they didn't have this lip here so you could put a power clip on it so you could charge it on your power mat, the 245 power mat. Same with the trimmer as well. But aside from that, great clipper, great trimmer. I would definitely recommend them if you're into that ergonomical, nice light feel in your hand. They got a little bit of heavy, a little bit of weight to them. But same with the trimmer, but I think with, you can't, super light clipper and trimmer feel cheap. I feel like they feel cheap and they don't last long. You throw a little bit of weight to them, just a tad bit of weight, and it makes an entire difference. Anyways, guys, I definitely recommend them, and go check them out, and I will leave everything in the description below so you can purchase your set. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and also just don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, because it does definitely help the algorithm and boots my videos over to people who are on YouTube randomly, because that is just how it works. So I appreciate you guys, much love and respect, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao, guys.